Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. On today's date, I have life advice. Ginama advice, and I want us to look at black text in 2025 because of I'm seeing on social media some people are still crying about black text. Some people have different ideas when it comes to black text and say you must start with yourself first before family, before anyway senza izinto ngeindlela ezihlukile la ngaphandle. But which background do you come from? Uphuma kweliphi ikhaya? Because of when I look at topics like black text, I dive deep. I look into your purpose. Uyini umsebenzi wakho? Uyini umsebenzi wakho before you can literally take any advice. Uyini umsebenzi wakho? If you're just going to say, I'm just going to make an example. If mina ngophumla go to school, finish, get a job, I'm working now, then all of a sudden I start taking care of myself, and then ngiyakhohlwa gilang vela khona. My people, I think they were going to cripple me in such a way that they will be like, and I am so grateful that like God's alignment, because of when you pray and ask, and there is nothing like, hey, you are being delayed. That money that you are supporting with, you should be doing this, you should be doing that, you should be doing 1, 2, 3. When you pray and God reveals things and show you how things needs to be done, trust you me. I'm sharing this and I'm making myself as an example because of when I reflect back, had I chosen after finishing school to move in with my boyfriend, to start a life with my boyfriend, I wouldn't have achieved the things that I've achieved up until today. So I'm grateful for where I'm at, because it's more like I chose myself, I chose my purpose, I chose my calling, and I was able, and I'm happy that I was able to say, no, if we are meant to be together, trust you me, you are going to catch up with me one way or another. But for now, thank God that I was able to make that decision. So today I just want to speak about black text. Black text, it's not such a bad concept. It's more of like taxation. When you look at taxation in the society, it has helped a lot of people. It creates some form of discipline. The more money you make, some people don't want to share their money. Some people don't even do charity. But with taxation, it forces you, it gives you that responsibility to give back. And when you give back, trust you me, that money helps other people in the society. How many people got degrees through NSFAS? I mean, think about it. So black text, it's a concept now that says mosu right, mosu nemal, mosu sebenza. You feel the need of giving back to your parents, siblings, or your siblings' children. With how my journey has been, I started home. I said to myself, I want to dedicate my 20s, whatever money that I'm making in my 20s, I just want to do something ekhaya. I just want to fix ekhaya and then move on from ekhaya and start focusing on myself. We do not approach impilo ngendlela ewan. Some people on their 20s, they want to focus on themselves. Then on their 30s, they go and fix emakhaya kubo. We use different angles to this thing. But at the end of the day, umoya wakho, ingilosi yakho lo ohamba nayo, what is your purpose? Uyini umsebenzi wakho? Because of it's very much important to know your purpose. Ungalandeli what other people are saying or what other people are doing, because of at the end of the day, when things don't go ngendlela wena ufisa ukuthi uhambe ngayo, or hambe baphinde bakubhekise ekhaya, kuphinde kube inkinga leyo. So zama ukuthi uyicente indlela yakho kahle, and don't feel any pressures from society. Please don't feel any pressures, because into nento inani inesikhathi sayo. God will give you that car, God will give you that house, God will give you everything ngesikhathi. And throughout the process kunezinto kumele ukuthi uyifunde. But nayo ke mina into engifuna ukukufundisa yona, you would rather support your family than to support your boyfriend or girlfriend, because of boyfriends and girlfriends, they come and go. Some come umfundisi umenze ukhale like uyi-ladder to success. So rather support home. Rather, if one feel ngathi you've got extra cash, rather uyosiza ekhaya. Charity begins at home. Number 2, the support you give must be based on needs and not on wants. Angeke isibling yakho noma isafunda isikole izothi, hey, can you please send me money for hair? Ufuna ukwenza ama hairstyle, ufuna ukuba fresh each and every month, yena ufuna ukuba fresh. If that child is a girl, make sure that child unama pets, unezinto ze hygiene. But hey, the child can just go natural like myself. The child can just have short hair. You don't have to now dig deep into your pockets to make sure that someone's wants are being satisfied. La angivumi. I mean, growing up, going to school, there was a point in time where I didn't have everything that I wanted. I didn't have the fancy hairstyle. I didn't have fancy glasses. I didn't have fancy stuff. But for me to go through that lesson, trust you me, I've learned so much. And ukungabi fancy. I am not fancy because of I don't wear weave today. And I'm loving that because of I'm saving lots and lots of money. So some struggle is very much good because of the wisdom that you gain from your struggle. Trust you me, moving right along. Learn to say no when people are asking for money or learn to say no. Learn to say no. And trust you me, when you start saying no to a lot of people, and it's gonna come from family, trust you me. But learn to say no. Learn to say no. When you don't have, you do not have. I can tell you, but monga just say no, I can't. Anginayo, no more unayo, but you don't feel the need to give aunayo, and you don't have to explain yourself. Just say a simple no, that is okay, and then you sleep peaceful. Trust you me, by saying no, there's something that you are teaching them. Ubafundisa ukuthi bangalokolo bahlezi bezogijima bazokokota kuwena bazokufuna imali le wena onganayo, balokolo bayakokota njalo you are their first stop, and bayazi ukuthi wena uzoyikhipha imali. I used to be that type of a person ukuthi anyone from home makangazokokota tucela imali yokugibela atucela imali, I would just give it instantly. But bangikhuza abantu abadala ukuthi that is completely wrong, because of lo muntu uyasebenza uyahola, yena wenzani ngomholo wakhe, wayengakwazi ukukhipha from emholweni wakhe abeka imali yakhe yokugibela, uloko lubhizi uzohluphana nami. Akabhalansise lo muntu, because of why mina ngikwazi ukubhalansisa wena ungakwazi ukubhalansisa, because of sonke we have priorities. Hayi ukuthi asinawa sonke sinama priorities, uyenzeni imali yakhe yilezi ezithi hayi mina ngizoyidle yami khona lo ozomnikeza yona. So learn to say no. You are teaching them something, and I trust you me, this cycle yokuthi bacele, it's easy for you to end it by saying no. You are teaching them something. You are teaching them discipline. Ungabi nendaba ukuthi bathi kuwe hayi lo usleh, hayi lo unjanjani. You are teaching them something. Trust you me, in 2025 you need to give people tough love. You are teaching them something ukuthi nakusasa lo ocela imali eyinyulo, lo ocela imali yokugibela akwazi ukuzibhajethela beke imali yakhe yokugibela, lo ocela imali eyinyulo azi ukuthi even if I don't do my hair, I keep my natural hair like this, it's still okay. They are learning from you, and I trust me, you are breaking that cycle because of you are teaching them indirectly. Don't just come to me for noma yini. I will give you your needs, but not your wants. And you are that person who you can give, but you can also say no. This time around, anginayo. Afunde ukungabi nento, because of imagine lo muntu njalo nina nifuna ukuthi makacela alokalaphika. You're spoiling that person. Nyamosha. So learn from me. Ngiyabonga nje ukuthi God has given me guides. Mina ngihamba namakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. Mawathe cha, athi cha. Mawathi no, athi no. So praying and getting constant guidance from abantu ohamba na ingilosi uNkulunkulu akwembethe sezona, it's a beautiful thing. And another thing, there's a period where you don't have money at all. And then all of a sudden, all of a sudden, and then you're having people asking you for money. Please say no. Please learn to keep imali. Please learn ukuthi mawuyithola le mali ungavele ngokukhulu ukusheshsha bese wena uyayikhipha. Uqeda ukuthola imali, uqeda ukukhola, but everyone is now, hey, I want this. Ungakwenzi lokho. Yingakho imali ingeke izihlale, ngoba wena njalo okokotayo ocelayo uyamnika, and you don't know what they do with the money. So the no, you need to practice the no. It might feel hard, you need to practice the no, because of for us to stop such cycle in this Black community, we really need to be outspoken. You really need to say, I am not going to do this. Umtshela umuntu, ungamfihleli umuntu, whether uzokwatela, whether angeke azakwatela, ukwakhe lokho, kodwa phimisela ngomlomo wakho khona uzokwazi ukuqeda these cycles of dependence. Abantu belokolo bedependele kuwena, abantu belokolo bedependele kuwena, ngoba bona bazibona besebenza imisebenzi emincane obehola imali encane, bacabanga ukuthi hayi abantu abahola imali encane they do big things. And people really need to learn discipline. And how do you teach them discipline? By just saying no, I don't have. Mase kumele ukuthi ukhiphe imali, kunezimo ezinzima, kushoniwe ekhaya, kunomsebenzi ekhaya, kunezinto ezinzima. You show up, you do what you need to do, you do your part, and then that's it. So it is honestly up to you how you approach this Black tax situation. But 2025 going forward, we have the responsibility to break these cycles. Abantwana bethu, they mustn't go through that. They should not go through that because of yile imfundiso esiyikhiphayo ke manje. We are learning, we are correcting to say no, you can live without this, because of the other people or like the other siblings who want to have it all. Akafuni umuntu makafuni into uzobudgeta ngawo, umuntu makafuni into uzogijima kumashonisa ayoyithenga leyo nto yakhe, kusasa uyamhlula umashonisa aphinde akufake wena inkingi. And I trust you, ungazifaki kulezo inkinga. Learn to say no. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.